Welcome to iSkipper, where we cover all aspects of sailing and powerboating theory. If you're new to the channel and want to build your knowledge about sailing and powerboating, please like and subscribe. These quizzes are geared at sailors and powerboaters who want to test their knowledge and seamanship. If you would like to know how your score stacks up, you can check out quiz number 1, where I go into detail what your score means. So let's dive into sailing quiz number 5. Question 1. In restricted visibility, one long and two short blast is sounded by a vessel restricted in its ability to manoeuvre, constrained by draft, sailing, engaged in fishing, towing or pushing, and which other category? Question 2. In a tropical revolving storm heading west in the northern hemisphere, is the dangerous sector to the north or the south or the centre? Question 3. A skipper must complete form C1331 and fly flag Quebec if the yacht arrives in the UK after what? Question 4. A yacht entering Fort Lauderdale in the USA would leave the green buoys to port. True or false? Question 5. The only available mooring is accessible at 3 hours either side of high water. On the way is a bridge with a charted height of 10 metres. The yacht mast is 12 metres from the waterline to the top of the wind indicator. Mean high water springs is 6.8 metres. Mean low water springs is 2 metres. Is it possible to pass under the bridge and pick up the mooring? Question 6. Which of the following would normally be marked by a yellow special mark? A drying wreck, a racing mark, a fork in a channel, or an oceanographic buoy? Question 7. The angle between the geographic true and the magnetic meridians at any place is known as what? Question 8. Where should you hoist a house flag? Question 9. What do the following initials stand for? SOLAS. Question 10. In a weather forecast, what is meant by the term veering? If you would like to build your knowledge on these sorts of questions, I can highly recommend the Day Skipper and the Yachtmaster theory. iSkipper are working alongside Sailing Course Online to deliver the Royal Yachting Association day skipper and yachtmaster theory. These courses can be studied anywhere in the world. All the course material will be posted out to you so you can study at your own pace. After you've passed your exam with flying colours, a hard copy of your certificate will be posted out to your home address. You can find out more details at iskipper.org or in the description below. If you have enjoyed your quiz, please hit the like button, and I'd be interested to hear in the comments below what score you got. Answers can be found in the description below.